Make a great choice today with the 2018 Grand Cherokee. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, front license plate bracket, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find HD radio, Sirius satellite radio, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, leather shift knob, tilt steering wheel, overhead console, cloth bucket seats. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.